Hey there, what's going on everyone? I want to introduce you to the absolute only sunscreen that I have used for the past several years, which is the Neutrogena Age Shield Face Oil-Free Lotion Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum SPF is 110, which is extremely effective, and it also includes the Helioplex Broad Spectrum. It's ultraviolet skin protection containing avobenzone and oxybenzone. So, like I said, I have used this for the longest time. Before, I used absolutely nothing. Like, I didn't understand the importance of always having sunscreen, and then just always kind of figured that since my skin was of a darker tone that I didn't need sunscreen. But that is so far from being true. No matter what skin tone and what shade of skin you have, you definitely need sunscreen all of the time. And then with it being a Neutrogena product, you know that it's going to be a very high quality product, and it's age shield. We all love that, especially myself as a woman. And besides having the sunscreen and the SPF being that high, it helps to protect ourselves from the sun's harmful rays, which can, cause the melanoma, the cancers, all of that stuff that we don't want, but also causes the aging of our skin, which we do not want that either. Take a look at the bottle here. It's very lightweight. It comes just like this when you buy it in the store. When I bought it online, I got it and it came in a box, and a Neutrogena box. Let's see, superior anti-aging protection, water resistant to 80 minutes, #1 dermatologist-recommended suncare. I've noticed a difference in my skin since using this. Like, I feel like it's brighter. I feel like my skin looks better. My face looks better. But as you see, it's to help prevent sunburn, used as directed with other sun protection measures, decreases the risk of skin cancer and early aging caused by the sun. Definitely want to keep it out of your eyes. This isn't something that you just give to the children to apply willy-nilly. If you do happen to give this to your children to use, you want to disperse it yourself first so they apply the right amount, because if you apply too much of it, then it does leave like kind of a white residue, at least I found. But that just also is kind of a plus of the product, that you don't use a lot, you use just a little bit, and it really lasts you. And I use this every day. I live in the desert, so it's really important for me to have skin protection all of the time. So you can see all of the ingredients up there, all of that good stuff. And the website is Neutrogena.com. And they also have phone numbers on the back, which I really like if you do have questions. And this bottle is only 3 ounces, which makes it great for travel. I take it everywhere with me when I travel, when I fly anywhere. It can go right into your carry-on. And I have it in my purse with me all the time, because who knows how long I'm going to be out. And if I go back out into the sun after a certain amount of time, I like to reapply. Let's see, that's what it's going to look like. Yeah, the inside is going to get a bit messy, but you can always dip some out. So you can see, you really don't need that much. And then it goes on clear. It's not greasy. As long as you use the right amount, you'll be absolutely fine. As long as you don't use too heavy of an amount, oops, still got some on me, then it's pretty much going to go away and you'll be absolutely fine. And it lasts a really long time using the right amount. I very luckily never had any problems with the bottle bursting or anything breaking or anything like that. Like, the top has never broken on me at all. And I've ordered this product over and over and over again for years, like I've said. So I've never had any problems with it busting or oozing out anywhere. So the bottling and the packaging is really good and sturdy. It really doesn't have too much of a smell to it, just a typical light lotion smell, but nothing that's heavy or that is going to get in the way of your own personal fragrance that you might have on or anything like that. This is definitely a product that I would recommend, especially for the women. It goes on really nice on our face and doesn't interfere with our makeup application or anything like that. It's good as a gift too, as long as you're not giving it to a sensitive Susie or anything like that sees the age shield and wants to get offended. Like, oh, are you trying to say I look old? Just a joke, but kind of serious too. So that is the Neutrogena Age Shield Face Oil-Free Lotion Sunscreen with an awesomely high SPF of 110. Thanks so much for watching.